Hi, my name is Susan Whittle with Rock Island Realty, and I want to show you this man cave she shed located within minutes of Lake of the Ozarks. For more information how you can build your custom unit, please give me a call, 573-286-5518.